Hello friends, welcome back to the video series in Basics of Shell Scripting. In this video, we would discuss how we can do basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo or the remainder operations with integers. Now, there are two ways to do these operations. At first, we are proceeding to the terminal, and here we are typing echo, then 1 plus 1. Let's check what should be the output. Now the output is 1 plus 1. That means that is not equal to 2. That means here the addition operation never happens. Always the output is here, not the 2 but 1 plus 1. So we are proceeding to the first way, and also here, like the previous videos, we are proceeding with the hello.sh. So here the hello.sh is first one. So the baseband is given there, and here first of all we are declaring a variable num1 and we are assigning the value 20 to it. Then we are providing another variable num2 and also we are assigning the value as 5 here. Look, we have provided or assigned the value only integers 20 and 5. Then we are proceeding with the addition operations, echo. Then we are proceeding with that addition. We are first writing the addition. Then we have to provide a dollar sign. Then check, we have to provide two parentheses, not a single parenthesis. And after that we have to provide a space. Once again we have to provide a space. Then we are giving the name of the variable num1, then a space and plus sign, and another one variable num2. After that once again we have to provide the space, and after that we are providing two end parentheses. Let's check what happens with the output. At first we have to type the end of the double quote. Let's save it, and now we can execute the script. So here we have to navigate to the desktop folder because hello.sh is in the desktop folder, and we can check the hello.sh file has the executable permission available or not. So ls-al, and we can see here that the executable permission is available to the file hello.sh. Now already we know we can execute the file with that type dot then slash and then the name of the file. So here the output is addition and 25. 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. So the addition has been performed properly. Now there is another way we can also execute our shell script, that is bash, because we are using the bash shell. Bash then the name of the script, bash hello.sh, and also the output is same. Now let's check what happens if we not provide the spaces after the double parenthesis. So here first one space we are removing, and also we are removing that space. Control S, we are saving the file, and now we are trying to execute the script. So bash hello.sh, and here the output is proper. Let's check another way, that what should happen if we remove the space from here also. Control S, after saving the file we are executing. So bash hello.sh, and also here the output is same. So if we provide space or no space, there would be no problem, but that is according to the bash version. Here we have the bash version, that is 5.1.16. Before the bash version 4, there would be a problem in the execution of the script if we do not provide the spaces here. So at that moment there would be no problem if we do not provide the spaces from here, or we provide the space from here. In the same way, we can also perform the subtraction, multiplication, division, or the remainder operations. Here that is a good practice if we provide the spaces here, that means after the parenthesis and before the parenthesis, and that would be also good practice if we provide the spaces here. Control S to save the file, and here for the other operations we are just copying the line and pasting it. So first one was addition, the second one we are providing, that is subtraction, and here we have to perform the operation subtraction, so we are changing the operator from plus to minus. Then we are performing, suppose, the multiplication. So here we are typing multiplication, and here we are providing the operator as star or asterisk. Next one, we are performing the operation, that is division, and for that we have to provide the operator, that is slash, and after that we are performing the operation, that is trying to find out the remainder. Practically, whenever the division is occurring, we are finding the result as the quotient, not the perfect division, and for the remainder here we are providing the sign as percentage sign. Control S to save the file, and let's check what should be the output here. At first Control L to clear the screen, and once again we are just executing the script. So first one, 20 plus 5, that is 25. After that the subtraction, that is 20 minus 5, that is 15. Then the multiplication, that is 20 into 5, that is 100. Division, 20 by 5, we are getting 4, and after that the remainder, that is as usual 0. So we can change something here, that means we are just changing here from 20 to 21 to check what should be the output for the division and the remainder, and once again we are executing the script. Now look at the division. Here we are getting the quotient 4 and the remainder as 1. So that is the first way how we can perform the arithmetic operations in bash shell script for the integers. Now the second way operations, and here once again we are providing echo and typing, suppose, second way operations or method, whatever you can say. And here once again we are just copying the lines and pasting here. Now look at the syntax. Addition, but here dollar, and we are providing not double parenthesis, we are providing a single parenthesis here, and here we are typing expr. After that the space, but here we have to provide dollar num1, then the space must be there, and after a space we are providing dollar num2, and after that the space, and here we are removing one parenthesis. Ctrl S to save the file. And for the others, the result or the lines should be the same. So here Ctrl C, and here also we are providing the same type of scripts. So here we are providing Ctrl V for the subtraction, for the multiplication, for the division, and also for the remainder. But we have to change the operator. For the subtraction we are changing it from plus to minus, and for multiplication we are providing here asterisk, but there would be a trick. And after that here we are providing the slash, and after that the same operator, that is percentage sign. Ctrl S to save the file, and let's check what should be the output, but there would be an error. Let's check what is the output here. Bash hello.sh. Now look, the first one, hello addition is 26, that is very good. Then the subtraction 21 minus 5, 16, that means the first one way. Then 105 the multiplication, division 4, remainder 1, there is no problem. Now the second way operation, addition 26, there is no problem. Subtraction 16, there is no problem. Multiplication, there is a problem. And expr, syntax error, unexpected argument hello.sh, so there is no output for the multiplication. And then division is 4, the output is right, and the remainder is 1. So what is the error persist here? The error persist in the case of multiplication. Here we have to provide a backslash. And why? When using the expr keyword, single parenthesis is required, that is a must, and when multiplying operation is performing using the expr keyword, we have to use the escape character, and that escape character is the backslash. And perform without the backslash, what should be the output, already we have found. So let's check after saving the file what is the output is now. Let's check. Ctrl L to clear the screen once again, and now bash hello.sh, and here now there is no error, we are finding the multiplication properly. Now if we change the value of num1 from 21 to suppose 27, and once again executing the script to check really the answers we are getting or not, and yes, we are getting the perfect answers. Just look at the remainder. Yes, 27 divided by 5, we are getting the quotient as 5 and the remainder as 2. So those are the two ways how we can perform the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo or remainder operations with the integers. If you find the video is useful, then you can like, share, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel. Now before we end the video, once again we can check what should be the output if there is no space between the variables. Let's check here and also here. We are removing the spaces. Ctrl S to save the file. Let's check the output here or the error. Ctrl L to clear the screen and bash hello.sh. Just look at the addition. Here the addition operation is not performing. We have only 27 plus 5. So here the space is a must. So we can remove the spaces from the subtraction operations also, and what should be the output. And here also we are not performing the arithmetic operations, only the 27 minus 5 or 27 plus 5 is happening with the output. So we have to provide the spaces here. That is a must for the second way. That means when we are using the expr keyword. Ctrl S to save the file, and the final output is here, and the operations are very clear.